There she is. I knew she was coming. And the fishes should be back in right now. And need a couple more.